Hey, thanks for popping in again for another snow video with this rare snow in our part of Texas. We got Ryan on the Can-Am Ryker 600 doing what apparently the Can-Am Ryker does in the snow and ice, and that's skid around everywhere, and then you have to push it a little bit. I've seen a lot of pretty cool successful videos of people riding their Rykers. This one doesn't turn out so well. Ryan actually rode it around earlier that day, which was yesterday when we filmed this, and he said it was just everywhere. He couldn't go over bridges, couldn't do anything. So we thought we'd come out, show you guys, get some cool footage. I follow him around on the Segway X160 dirt e-bike, actually give him a little bit of tow, and then we kind of show off his handlebars there. That would be a whole nother video, but it's a cool way to do a sneak peek, show the Ryker, trying to skate around in the snow, show off the handlebars, show off the dirt e-bike a little bit, hitting the trail. I had a mission to go to CVS while the cars couldn't make it. ThrillMouseMoto. Hey, run it, dog. There you go. Did you try to do that? Are you trying to... Are you using the throttle? I'm trying to think. Okay, I got it. What if no? Be on the way. You got, it's like y'all are having a contest, dude. You gotta turn it back, dude. You got. Just turn it back around. Uh-oh. Dude, you gotta turn back, man. Bro. This is a pretty good tutorial, dude.
Alright, here. You pull me. He's trying to help. This is what everybody does. I'm good. I live right there. I'm good. Thank you. I appreciate that.
Thanks. Alright, hold on. Where to? Ready?
Yeet.
I can't see what's happening.
Dude, thanks, man.
That's all with that Segway X160, boy.
Look at that. He carved a line and.
I gotta start heading this way so I'm not late.
Time, stranger.
You're welcome. And then that old Segway X160 went back on the road again, going from town to town, helping out the common folk. Whew, it's gonna be coldy. Alright, well, I'm on a mission.
Alright, text me.
Those handlebars are tight as hell, dude. So much of them.
They're smaller than the stock.
Dude, that looks really cool. I didn't know how that was gonna look.
Like it.
Wow. Alright, I'll let you know, Doc. Really impressed on how Ryan's handlebars came out. I didn't know what to expect. The bars just look cool, period. There's lots of bars that you can see online that you're like, oh man, these are gonna look killer on the Ryker, but you really don't know until they go on the Ryker, or you see someone else put them on the Ryker, or whatever, and then you can kind of get some more context on how it would look, because you're comparing it to it actually on the Ryker, and that's kind of one of the main things we try to do on the channel. So we'll take one for the team, experiment. We did that with the ProTaper bars. So Ryan did it with these, and it looks cool. It's real short. The ends, as you can see, that compared to the stock ones, stock's more like a broom handle that goes across the top of the Ryker. So took one, like I said, take one for the team. You gotta check out the video when it comes. Got some deer there. See, I saw 3 out of the corner of my eye, and I was kind of scared here because I saw that one video, that deer jump off that dude's back on the motorcycle. And I still never see him. I was like, nah, not you guys either. You're out there. And then bam, there he is. So some wildlife out here. This is a trail that I normally take. You can see that, but it doesn't look like this at all. Never seen it like this. Never thought I would. Icy bridges. This was kind of nuts. You can see back there was some cats snowboarding, and I was like, oh man, it's gonna make some cool footage. I pull up that hill, that little bit of hill climb that I added on there, which is not like that in the snow. I didn't think I was gonna make it at all. I think I was in sport mode too. If you're not used to the Segway X160, there's eco mode, and I set it for 20, so it's pretty much 19. And then sport takes it to 31 miles an hour. I don't know what it actually does, but those are the numbers that it comes up on there. I usually use sport when I want that torque and I want to be able to do climbs and stuff. But I go up that little hill to see those snowboarders, and they stop. That was like their last run. They like look down and like, oh, we're out of here. And I was like, oh man, I just wanted to get one shot for you guys of those cats snowboarding, because like I said, it doesn't snow over here in my area, and if it ever did, it's nothing like this. It's like some flurries, or it's just ice everywhere or something. So really fun experience taking that dirty e-bike out on this trail. Ryan and I have been on it before. We actually have a video where it's Brian and Ryan and I on this trail. I don't know if I show all this, but it's a cool way to compare it. Us riding out here compared to that. But real cool spot. You can see me lose traction there. It's like an icy little wooden bridge. I can tell you, if there wasn't like other footprints out here, I probably wouldn't have done this part, because I don't know when there's a bridge, when there's a hole, when there's anything. Because a lot of this is actually, there's a sidewalk underneath there. So it looks like people don't, and then all the ice is on top of the trees, bringing it all down. And we'll get to that in the video, where I'm just ducking down low to get under this, and it's getting dark at the same time. So I made an appointment to get my first vaccine shot at the CVS on the other side of my town. I made multiple calls, or my sister was trying to help me out too, and she's called, and she went to the top of CVS, and they said no one's answering the phone, but there's lots of outages and stuff, and I know phone lines are down. But they said if it doesn't say that it's closed, you know, like on Google Maps, any of that stuff, then they're open. And then I'm like, okay, well, obviously we can't take the Rykers out there. And then I don't want to really risk taking my car, getting in a wreck or something like that, because there's lots of cars that couldn't leave the complex just the way Ryan couldn't, and cars and trucks. It's crazy. So I was like, it's the same way to take the dirt bike the way I normally do on the trail, so I'll just take that. You can see the dam here. I was like, it takes all the way to the dam, and we just cut across, and then bam, I'm there. And I get there. So spoiler alert, because I really don't show it. I don't make this video super long. I actually have to get off of it and ride beside it like some Fast and the Furious thing. And while I'm on the throttle beside it, and I take it the same way down, sliding down. But this is me coming back, because I go to CVS and it's shut down. There's like a piece of paper flyer saying, you know, you're not getting it, we're closed, even though I'm not going to call you, confirm. I was getting all kinds of confirmations about my first vaccine shot, and they can't even tell me when we're not doing it. So kind of upset about that, but it was a fun ride until my battery dies. This is me, and I keep looking down. I mean, it gets to 0 and it just blinks and blinks, so I'm trying to see how far I can go on just 0, and I actually go pretty far. So if you wanted like an actual range test on one of these, you know, with the cold, I'm pretty sure it has to do a factor of my battery draining. Plus, I'm putting that dirt bike to work, man. Going up this snow, wheels are just spinning. That's me looking down, and it's just blinking and blinking, and slowly losing power. And then, bam, walk of shame. Dang, push of shame, I should say. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Got more Ryker content coming. Just want to get some of this snow day stuff out.
Dang it. And these aren't my apartments. Well, let's go.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to ThrillMouseMoto. I was paid to say this since Barry said he felt kind of weird asking. He also wanted me to say Baja Blast slams and yeah dog, ThrillMouseMoto.